9 months ago, Mamta, Charu, Minakshi, Saurabh, and Sandeep could barely speak English. Now they are not just fluent in the language but can even address a gathering of over 100 people. They are the first batch of students who are benefiting from the English Access Micro Scholarship Program that began at the Government Model Senior Secondary School, Sector 26, Chandigarh in February 2011. When Michael Pelletier, Minister Counselor for Public Affairs and Diplomacy of US Embassy, New Delhi, and Joel Ozaski, the Director of Regional English Language, visited Chandigarh to launch this innovative program. Funded by the US Department of State and managed by UFSATA with support of local Department of Education, Chandigarh administration, this 2-year program enables underprivileged children to learn the English language and communicate better. This is enhancing their language skills so that they have a competitive edge in academic and professional life. They use the new Interchange series which focuses on 4 areas of learning: speaking, listening, reading, and writing. English language games and songs were incorporated in teaching process as it is a great way to get out of the rut of language drills, worksheets, boring repetition, and individual study, for which teaching skills of teachers are upgraded in regular training programs. The English classes are held 5 days a week after school. To further motivate the targeted children, students are regularly honored for their accomplishments such as 100% attendance, overall performance, calligraphy, elocution, card-making competition, etc. Educational excursion visits are also an important component of the initiative, in which English Access students got to see the zoo, important public places of the city. They even visited an army regiment to learn about importance of duty and discipline in life. The program received wide publicity in local media too. The teachers at UFSATA are committed to the cause of providing learning to marginalized children from economically weaker section of society in a non-threatening atmosphere, peer involvement and a break from the traditional lecture mode, and above all, the excitement and enthusiasm to work in a real-life situation.
I am impressed by the teachers' commitment to their instruction and the students' commitment to their studies here at the Access program in Chandigarh. Because of the dedication of the teachers and the students at the Access program here, I believe that they will accomplish their goals of helping the students become functional in English.
पहले से काफ़ी फर्क है इसको मतलब जब से इंग्लिश क्लास ज्वाइन करी है काफ़ी फर्क है पहले से और अब जो पहले था मतलब पहले हिंदी में बात करते थे तो अब इंग्लिश में बात करते हैं काफ़ी अच्छा घर ही मतलब काफ़ी फर्क है चीज़ पहले हिंदी में बोलते थे अब इंग्लिश में बात करते हैं डॉक्टर बनना चाहते हैं वो हिंदी में होना चाहिए
ठीक है इंग्लिश ठीक है इसकी मैं चले नहीं पाता अच्छा और बनने के जो इसकी इच्छा का वही बन सकता है बनने की मदद कर सकते हैं हमारे जो होगा
It is important to learn spoken English as it will help students all over the world. Moreover, a good command over English will improve their communication skills and help them professionally too. So it is very much important for each and every student.